everybody. Well, this is a follow-up to all the snow we got and the fact that I was planning on doing more vlogs than what we did. But Laine had to go to Phoenix, Arizona for a few days for business. And so it was just me and the kids here, and we played Monopoly 2 days in a row for like 6 or 7 hours. You guys know how that goes if you're a Monopoly fan like we are. And we didn't really do much. We didn't go anywhere. I was just being daddy for the past 3 days. But as you can see, the snow is beginning to melt around here. That's the southern part of Missouri for you, is that we may get snow, yes, but it does not last long. It normally melts off pretty quick. In fact, the rest of this week is supposed to be in the 40s. I think we're even supposed to reach 60, I think by Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. We still got some snow, but most of it is melting off. You see me cleaning the porch off. The problem that we have around here is that it'll melt during the day. At night, it's going to get back down below, and all that melting is then going to turn to ice. And I'll give you a prime example. So this is our path up to our car, and I'm glad I have these ropes that I had installed a long time ago, but I pretty much have to hold on to them because all the way up through here it is slick to get up to the car. Now I know a lot of you right now are asking yourself, or asking me, why didn't you put down salt? I was planning on it, I really was, I just didn't get to it. And so it is what it is now, and I can still put down salt, or I can get my shovel and just kind of break this up a little bit better to where it's not so covered and solid like our driveway is. This is all ice. I'm not even going to attempt to walk on it. There's the broken sled. But I had to put it in four-wheel low just to come down here, and we still slid until I got off over in the crunchier stuff. But other than that, folks, it really wasn't that big of a deal here, other than our pipes freezing up. Something I had forgotten I had was I have a little Mr. Buddy heater, little propane heater. I forgot I had that. I bought it a couple months ago, and it's been in the box. So anyway, that would have came in really handy for me to put down in the basement, to just put on low, or put in the crawl space to put on low, and wouldn't have had to worry about our pipes overnight. But I forgot about that, so I'll have to remember that for next time. Also had many of you suggesting to me, why didn't I leave my water running overnight to keep the pipes from freezing? Whoa. And I said it, about fell right there. I think I said it in the previous video too, our pipes actually freezing, why I didn't do that. And it was because our pressure tank that's in the crawl space is not a very big one. And so whenever we have our water trickling overnight, that pressure tank is going to kick on constantly. I don't know how often, maybe it would depend. I would say probably at least every 30 to 45 minutes is probably when it'd kick on, which would drain our batteries even faster. And so that would cause me to have to run the generator more, and I could have done it, yes. So, but in case you're wondering why, that is why. And obviously right now the water wheel project is on hold, and it'll probably be on hold until this spring when I know we are out of the freezing weather, because I really can't do anything or really want to do anything with fixing it just quite yet. So once we get into warmer weather, then I'll get back on the project. I do have some things in store, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll probably be revealing some of that here pretty soon, but we're getting ready to get into our really wet, rainy season. Even with like right now with the snow melting, I know it's gonna probably increase our water flow a little bit coming from the spring. And so we're also getting ready to get into March through June, seems to be our really wet period of time, a really wet season of the year. So whenever that happens, I'm gonna start really testing and start tweaking with this and see what I can do. But it may be a little while before you start seeing videos of us trying to complete this water wheel project, because I wanna make sure we have just good water and good weather. Good job.
Hey, you take the snowboard off of here.
What are you doing, buddy?
I'm just digging.
You're just digging? You're doing a good job.
Right here. Right there.
Chason's the foreman.
welcome, welcome, welcome to your 100th day of school. It's been a long 100 years, days. But we made it!
Yeah.
We've all got some gray hair because of this stressful time in our lives. But today we're going to celebrate 100 days. You guys want to? You want to get all dressed up? Hey, Chason, wait a minute. You want the funny glasses, don't you?
And a hammer.
And a hammer. Oh, you know what that is? It's a corn pipe. So,
And a hammer.
now, Chason, this is like real old people glasses because the old people can't see and they break things, so you only got one side. Look at that right there. Ain't nobody got. Oh my goodness. Layla Bell, I got some curlers for you, little lady in a nightgown.
I want to do it.
And you get to wear there's your corn pipe. Don't put no backer in it. You're not 18 yet. There you go. And Gabriel, for you, I got you a cane. You can just walk around.
Wait, this?
And here you go. There's your old man hat and your old man cane. Okay. And we're gonna have some fun games with 100 cups. Layla, I know it's hard for you sometimes, sister, but you're a girl.
No beard for you. That.
You
Took all my beard.
There you go.
You shaved me beard. Give me beard back. Give me beard. No. Give me
Well, that's not how you wear a beard. You don't stick it over your nose.
Give me beard.
All right, they're all dressed. Okay, Gabriel, come on out. Woo! There's old man number one. Oh yeah. Okay, Chason, come on out. Come here, Gabriel. This way. Chason's turn. Oh, there's Chason.
There's that swag old man.
He's old. Got his corn pipe. All right, Layla Bell.
Oh, she's just.
Oh, here she comes.
Old lady.
What are you gonna do today, ma'am?
I have no idea.
Is your back hurting?
Yep.
And finally, Grady. Oh, you got your Depends on. How are you today, sir?
Huh?
Right now. All right, boys and girls, we're going to open up to Bible this morning, okay? Layla, wake up. It's time for school. Grady, open up your DVD. It's time to start school. And hey, Chason, it's time to practice your number 4 this morning. Do you think you can do that? Okay.
3, 4 plus 3. 2 plus 3.
Good job. Thank you very much.
Equals 5.
Equals 5.
3 plus 5.
That's right. Layla, pretend like you're asleep and I'm going to hit you on the head with pretend like you're going to sleep and I'll say, attention! Attention! I wanted to do that for 100 days. Is the 100 days my excuse to smack
Look at me.
Smackins?
You haven't done me yet.
Yes, I did.
You're right now.
You're looking at me.
You're right now. You're right now. Tucking.
Okay, I do want to say something in all seriousness, though, to you guys and to Daddy. This is a big, special day because we started a new curriculum this year, and it was hard, and it's taken a lot of time to get used to and to find our groove, and you guys have been troopers, and you've been graceful with Mommy while I've tried to figure it out, and you're doing so amazing at school, and your grade cards are good, and I'm truly proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.
And it really is a joy to be able to be your teacher and your mama. And I mean it.
Thanks, Mom.
And thank you to Daddy for helping keep the little ones settled while Mommy focuses and has to do a lot of hours of preparing and grading and homeschooling. It's been a teamwork. Teamwork makes that
Dream work.
That's right. That's right.
And just like that, the snow is gone. Welcome to the Ozarks. This is what happens every winter, is when we get snow, it may last for a week and then it is completely melted, because today it's like 66 degrees. It's a beautiful day. We went for a walk a while ago. Grady's down here playing in the spring head. I just love the Ozarks. It is such a beautiful place to live. You get all 4 seasons. It's just wonderful. We just love it. If you are looking for a place to live and love off-grid life, love water, love 4 seasons, check out southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Amazing places to live, in my opinion.
Yes, I can.
Layla Bell, what are you doing?
Building a wall. Yeah, and we're
With
gonna
100 cups?
And we're gonna run through it. Yeah, it's a good idea. But then we're gonna build like a secret agent thing.
Cool. Something I forgot to check
2 more stacks.
was my drone. We've been so busy, I haven't checked it. See if it's working. Well, I hope it is. Somebody told me I may have used the wrong rice. They said I should have used minute rice
2 more.
and not this stuff, so I have no idea. We'll see.
But
I gotta get my drone stuff.
we're both gonna run through
Oh,
it.
Layla,
What?
how am I gonna get back there?
You did so good,
my
Sissy.
goodness, Sissy.
Listen, Mommy will help you rebuild it. You did so. What happened? It just somebody breathed.
I don't want
I hope it wasn't me.
I'm sorry.
to.
You know what I do when something like that happens? I just blame you.
That's the truth.
I'm sorry. Daddy got
Alright, let's get a battery in it. Alright, moment of truth. See if I get some light. Yep. It's making some noise. Making some noise. So we'll see. Alright, so far everything seems to be operational. Okay, so my screen is working so far. Probably gonna have to do a calibration, sorry. Have to rotate the aircraft 360 degrees. Let me try this. Okay, I'm back. Everything is normal now, so let's see if she'll fly.